right, I don't know if you can even hear me because the wind is blowing outrageously, but you know it's CarQuicks. And I'm over here at the track, Super Lap Battle. You know, if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. But I don't got my little microphone set up right now, right? So apologies. Anyway, we're back. I'm with the little one. Hair blowing in the wind, looking luscious. I'm gonna check back in because it's bad loud. So holler at me. Cars are out here. Peace. Oh, that's magnificent. 720S GT3. Hey, back. Don't go so close with their doors open.
It's a weird looking car.
Cool track car. You know, every time I come here, I forget that I need to buy a scooter. I'm just over here walking. Oh, let me not get hit. Alright, we're looking for a specific Camaro right now. A very wild looking one. But I will say, this Datsun right here, craziness. That looks crazy. Man. CTS? It's an ATS, my bad. It's an ATS. ATS-V. Track Cat, it's a good plate. Oh, there it goes. That's the Camaro. That's what we came to see. This thing looks ridiculous.
It warms up just a little
Turbos
bit.
on the side.
It stays nice and cold in terms of that air temperature. Now you get the traction.
Impressive. This is so cool. This thing is highly impressive.
Let's try to follow this beautiful white E46 M3. We caught him towards the...
All right, now we're at this car show. They got the Liberty Walk GTR looking outrageous. My son wants to go look at the Mustang because that's what he loves. But this looks absolutely crazy in person. I've seen them online, but in person, it looks properly ridiculous. Oh, my son found the aired out Mustang. His favorite car. It's a Roush. What are you trying to show me? Clean air install with the subs. You don't really see people doing sub installs anymore, but oh, they see a wide body Mustang. Ooh, Stasia.
Another one.
Another what?
Another one.
Hey, a lot of Mustangs.
Straight out of being good.
Back to back with that black one.
Well, silly. Going full VIP. See, luxurious inside here. Lord of the Rings. That's funny. Sheesh. Alright, we're back.
We're in another section of the track.
We're in the other section of the track. The section you should be at, even though everybody likes to be at the main grandstand. This is where you can see multiple angles. Let me zoom in. Of the turns. Main turns right there. right? They said this is where you make up, or you make a lot of your time. You can commit to how they drive. Now they're racing much faster. SF90. Things are sounding proper. This is what we love to see. Now, another thing, I'm sitting here because I need to find out what is the best section for when I come to the F1 race here at COTA. So I'm taking advantage of the fact that I can just walk around and sit anywhere to decide what feels like the best spot. Right now, I'm over by like turn 18 or something like that, where you got all these turns. This spot I like. Now I don't know what I'm gonna go to next. I might walk myself over there because that is where you see the main straight. If you can see a car over there coming now, hold on, let me try to zoom in a little bit. So I got a little something. So that section over there, there's the main straight, that main corner right there. That is another section I'm thinking about sitting. However, what they say is you probably are better off sitting over there where we're at, because then you get to see the straightaway and you get to see these turns. All right, I'm walking over to drifting right now. It's a little bit quieter, so if you can hear me better, well, then you know you're blessed. Super lap battle is always a good time. I don't record too much because, I mean, it ain't much commentary to really give. You know, just watch the cars racing, you know? And I don't have like multiple angles and multiple positions on the track. So we're gonna go check out drifting. And I'm gonna circle back, and you know, when you watch this video, you'll be happy. And next time you're in, you know, Texas, come to the Super Lap battle because you're missing out. The boys here, hair is blowing wild because there's wind everywhere. I don't have hair as good as his, but hey, that's just what it is. What else? Nothing. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace. We're done with the drifting. Enough tire smoke and shards slapping me in my face, my beard. Decided that we're just gonna walk back to the paddock, see the other cars. I might go to this burger spot out here. It's called Not a damn chance. And it better be as good as they're hyping it up to be, because if not, I'm gonna be the first one to tell y'all, don't waste your time. He wants to go try it too. Alright. Next stop might be me and a burger. Oh snap. Dope looking Supra. Alright. That was enough. I'm gonna go see what these race cars are doing. I was looking for the gentleman that had the lap record last year on the Corvette, but he ain't here now, so we'll go see what else is there. Okay, we ate some food, and I'm in the shadows. We're gonna go walk ourselves back up to go watch more of the time attack. Maybe I'll take a peruse into one of these garages and whatnot. And that'll probably be it, honestly. I'm just showing you the footage of the racetrack. You don't gotta hear me talking. So I'm out. Peace. We're back again. This time we're sitting way up on a hill. We were down there somewhere. Now we're up here. Zuri is having a great time. Alright, I'm just gonna zoom in on the acciones. I don't even know if that's a word, but we're just gonna use it today. Alright, here we go. This actually is much better than I thought. The camera may not be able to pick up how much I can see, but this first turn is impressive. But you get to see how hard these cars are braking and how they're moving throughout the track on that first turn. So I'm not mad at the first corner, because I was thinking about an F1 race and I was like, am I really gonna care about the first corner? But this isn't bad. And I'm sitting on the grass. So on F1, this is like general admission, wherever this grass area is right here. I guess you could just, anybody can sit here. So this isn't terrible. I mean, of course, you probably have to sit here and like not move, because I'm sure as soon as you get up, everybody and their mom's going to. There goes that McLaren. I think it's stupid fast. Hold on, way too close. So this is like the, I forgot what class this is. It's not the unlimited one, it's not the fastest one, but you know, like I said, this position is actually pretty great. I'm not gonna lie, this was Zuri's idea. I don't know how much longer we're gonna stay here, so I'm gonna do a little outro, because if I don't remember to do it, I'm not gonna do it. So listen, if you haven't come to Super Lap Battle, come to it. It's fun, it's cool. CarQuicks approves, and check out the podcast. Peace.